Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this bunch of Bible verse bracelets here. These are silicone ones. I'm not sure how many there are. Here's quite a few, 48 I believe. So these are nice and stretchable if you want to throw them on your wrist there. So this one has Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. So that's pretty sweet. And then we have, these are all Romans 15:13. So this one is Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. So that's cool. It has the Bible verse on there and where you can find it at. Next one is Romans 5:13. Another Romans 5:13. Okay. And this is another Philippians 4:6. So it looks like there's 2, 4, like 6 of each of those. 6 in each pack here. Deuteronomy 3:16. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. And then we have Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. And so all these, I believe, have the same one. So a few different Bible verses there, but some very encouraging ones, and you can keep those on your wrists for reminder, and also a nice little conversation starter if you're into spreading the gospel with people. Like, hey, what's that? Why are you wearing that wrist strap? You know, is that like a lot of people wear different wrist straps to make some kind of a statement or to let people know that they're for something or something. But nice little conversation starter. So if you have like a Bible study group or something like that, Sunday school class, you can give these out to your kids and keep those on your wrists or whatever. So it's pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, there's a whole bunch of them and lots of nice encouraging verses on there. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful and have a great day. I'll see you next time.